How to change 5 GHz hotspot to 2.4 GHz on iPhone. If your device is old and don't support 5 GHz hotspot, then just follow the steps to change 5 GHz hotspot to 2.4 GHz on iPhone. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap Personal Hotspot. Enable Allow others to join option so that other devices can join your hotspot. Here you will find an option Maximum Compatibility with Toggle Switch. Simply enable Maximum Compatibility. Well, iPhone by default turns on Personal Hotspot in 5 GHz mode. This offers faster internet speed to the devices connected with it. But to get that speed, other devices are required to support 5 GHz band. Now when you turn on maximum compatibility mode, iPhone automatically switches to 2.4 GHz band. This offers relatively slower internet speeds, but it works with most of the devices. So that is how you can change 5 GHz hotspot to 2.4 GHz on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.